Welcome to this tutorial on Golden Gate cloning using Photo51. In this video, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Golden Gate cloning is a restriction ligation-based method that allows seamless assembly of multiple DNA fragments in a single reaction. It uses type 2S restriction enzymes, such as BSA1, which cut outside of their recognition sites, and T4 DNA ligase, which ligates fragments with designed overhangs. This method is especially useful for building modular constructs from promoters, genes, tags, and terminators. Step 1. Open your destination vector. Go to My Files and select the plasmid file that will serve as your destination vector. Double-click the file to open it, or select Open Sequence from the toolbar. Navigate to the Cloning tab in the top toolbar. Click Golden Gate Cloning. This will open the Golden Gate Cloning window. If you want to change the vector, click the pencil icon next to the plasmid name, or select Change Vector at the bottom of the modal. You can choose a different file from My Files, paste a sequence manually, or drag and drop it into the tool. Note: the vector must contain at least one type 2S restriction site. Step 2. Add your inserts and design primers. Click Insert at the top of the screen, or plus New Insert at the bottom right. Select your insert from My Files, paste a sequence manually, or drag and drop a file. Either digest the plasmid with corresponding enzymes, or choose a region or feature of your insert that you want to clone, and select PCR from the Linearize by drop-down. Photo51 will automatically design primers with flanking type 2S restriction sites and overhangs that match the vector. Step 3. Assemble your construct. Once your destination vector and all inserts have been added, press the Assemble button at the bottom or top right. Photo51 will simulate the digestion with the type 2S enzyme, the ligation of fragments, and display your fully assembled construct. Step 4. Save your final construct. Review the plasmid map to ensure your parts are in the correct order and orientation. Once you're satisfied with the assembly, click Save Assembled Product at the bottom right. You can save it to My Files or directly into a team workspace. You've now completed Golden Gate cloning in Photo51. Thank you for watching.